Hi, Clancy Boyer here, MarineMax Fort Myers. Isn't this joystick cool? Skyhook feature, everything is really nice. We're here today to look at a 380 Realm. This is a 2020 model. The chances of you having breakfast with Bigfoot are about as good as you getting a boat like this with all this equipment on it. The boat is amazing and loaded with equipment. So come aboard and let's take a look. Hi, welcome back on the 380 Realm. We're out here on a windy day. We have skyhook engaged. So we're staying in place by ourselves with the satellite's assistance. That's why the engines are kicking in and out. Let's look at some of the features on the boat. So this 380 Realm is loaded. So what I meant about not being able to find a boat like this, they don't make a lot of 380 Realms, but this is the only one I know of with some of the features that this boat has. It's amazing and it's loaded. So let's take a quick look. First of all, we have a huge cool box here. Just seat forward, flip your latches, you can fill everything up. Or as your guest, just getting one beverage at a time like it. Sit here, you have seating over here, the dive door, huge ladder that goes in here if you're with scuba tanks, if you need help getting in and out, there's a big heavy duty ladder. There's a normal ladder on the back, but this is really a neat setup. Still have your normal door here, just a bonus feature. So as we move forward, we can put our guest in this seat. We have more guests up here. Footrest for everybody, tables that fit in. You have a big sure shade over top, lots of shade. Over here for the grilling experience, you have a Kenyan grill. Fantastic grill system, does a great job. Prep center, sink, refrigerator, lots and lots of storage all over the boat. There's storage everywhere, it's amazing. So as we move forward, you'll see that we've got the triple Marines at the dash. You can control your lights. A lot of the different things on the boat can be controlled right here. Instead of getting up, moving around and doing things, you can control it right here. Your stereo system, push button start, theft deterrent, all that kind of stuff. So obviously we have the Mercury controls, the skyhook system with joystick, makes it very easy to dock. This boat's got the built-in VHF, Seakeeper. Who doesn't love Seakeeper? You notice we're not rocking right now, and it's very windy out. So let's take a look up forward. So as we move forward on the boat, I want you to notice the big glass sliding roof and sunroof. Never seen it on another 380 Realm. Very cool feature. This thing's huge. This is part of the seaworthiness of this boat. I want to show you how this boat actually seals up for a windy day, a wet day, things like that. So take a look at this. This is really neat. No more isinglass, putting up, stuff like that. Just close that door. Closed up. How cool is that? That is pretty quick, pretty neat. All right, as we move forward, got a nice hallway here, no walking around the outside, very safe, very nice, very tidy. We're moving forward to the bow seating. Here we've got seating with armrest all over the place, more seats all around. The table powers down, you push a button, it goes down. You got a big sun pad up here, windlass anchor system. If you look back up onto the hardtop, you'll see that you've got the open marine, the FLIR camera system, night vision, and a spotlight. All right, let's check out the cabin. Okay, here we are down in the cabin area of the 380 Realm. Very well equipped for overnighting. You have a lot of natural light, windows everywhere, big skylight here, double sink, hanging closet, lots and lots of storage. I'm 6'2", have a lot of space here. So this is a big area. The sofa, obviously, converts into a bunk area. You have a high-low table with just a beautiful finish. I mean, just gorgeous finish. So this table pops up if you want to be dining or sitting down here relaxing in the air conditioning, or lower it down and you have a big bunk area. You have a bonus refrigerator here, as if you don't have enough up above with the big cooler, and then the bonus refrigerator, you've got another one down here. And then, as I said, just storage everywhere, all over the place. Nice blue lighting, just a nice touch, the soft lighting. You can turn that on bright white also if you want to, if you want more light. So this is the cabin area of the 380. Okay, we're still down in the cabin area of the 380 realm. I want you to take a quick look at the head area. You have a full door, full length mirror inside. Inside the head area, the blue light continues. You can obviously switch that to bright white light. You have air conditioning vents in here. You have a real head, full shower, just a real nice setup with a bowl sink. Just very nice. Nice touch, nice finishes.